Hello everyone, this video is for all the GATE aspirants who are targeting the exam GATE 2020. As you know, the exam is coming closer and that's why we have launched an online crash course to cater to your demands. Now let me talk about who should all attend this course. Number 1, those students who are yet to join any coaching program for GATE 2020. Now this course becomes the best course for you because it is online. You do not have to be physically present in the class to learn and practice. Number 2, those students who have joined a program but are not satisfied with the quality of teaching of their faculties, or you do not have the access to the world-class faculties who are from IITs, or you have missed any subject while your course and now you want to study that. Number 3, those students who want to utilize this Diwali break and prepare well for their GATE 2020 exams. Number 4, those students who have so many doubts compiled but they don't have any platform to get their doubts solved. And at last, number 5, for those students who want to clear technical exams in India and want to prepare for technical subjects. For all of these community, this course becomes the best course because it is online, it is timely and it is structured. Let me talk about the format of this course. This course is purely online. That means you can access it via a mobile phone or a laptop. There will be recorded sessions of the top faculties of India across subjects, and these sessions will be streamed live in your account on scheduled dates so that your study is systematic and in order. During these live sessions, you are free to ask any questions on the chat room and the faculty will be available online to solve your doubts. If you miss a live session, the recording of the same will be available in your account in 7 days. After every subject, every faculty will be available for 2 days for live student interaction in which you can get your doubts solved or you can get some preparation tips. Some subjects such as engineering maths or aptitude, which are common for all the branches, will be available live. So that's why this product is 360-degree solution of your GATE preparation. So if you ask me, why should I join this course? I have 5 reasons to help you. Number 1, these sessions are recorded, so you can access them anytime as per your convenience. Number 2, this is the perfect way to revise in a structured format. Number 3, all the past year actual GATE question papers will be covered during such sessions. Number 4, complimentary practice questions will be provided at the end of each session. Number 5, an opportunity to interact live with the top faculty of GATE from the IITs in India. These 5 reasons should very well tell you why you should join this course. This course is available at a minimal cost of Rs 12,000 plus GST. So why wait? Join ICE today.